Before there was Jesus, there was Yahusha, a name given from heaven, spoken by angels and written in the ancient scrolls. The name Yahusha means Yahweh saves, not just a title, but a prophetic message, a divine identity linking the Son to the Father. So how did we get Jesus? The answer is centuries of translation from Hebrew to Greek to Latin to English. But there's a problem. The name Jesus has no meaning in Hebrew, no tied to prophecy, covenant, or the Father's name. Yahusha came in his Father's name, Yahweh, just as he said. This name carries power, identity, and truth. I have come in my Father's name. John 5:43. Prophet spoke of a time when the true name would be restored. And that time is now. The world is waking up. Then I will restore to the peoples a clean lip, so they may all call on the name of Yahweh. This is more than a name, it's a return to covenant, to truth, to power. It's time to call him by the name he was given, Yahusha. Dive deeper in the ebook Restoring the Sacred Names, available now on Amazon. Like, share, and subscribe. 2 names of power for more truth they never told you. Shalom.